Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare mango ice cream without condensed milk. This is one of the quick ice cream recipe that you can try at home. For this we need one big mango. We are going to cut this. Now let us separate the flesh and the skin. I am using the ice cream scooper to scoop the flesh out. You can simply use a small spoon to scoop it out. This is ready. Now let us transfer this into a mixie jar. To this add a quarter cup of sugar and blend it into a fine paste. Our mango paste is ready. Now let us transfer this into another bowl. Next we are going to beat the fresh cream. I have taken 250 ml of fresh cream, approximately a cup, and make sure the fresh cream is very chill. Now let us beat this for 3 to 4 minutes, and I am using an electric hand beater. You can very well use a normal hand beater. You don't want to wait for stiff peaks, you are just mixing it very well. For this particular recipe, you can use homemade fresh cream instead of the store-bought one. The fresh cream is ready. You don't want to wait for the stiff peaks because fresh cream won't whip very well. So this consistency is fine. Now let us add the mango paste into this. Give a nice mix. If you do want to collect fresh cream at home, boil a full fat milk, bring down to room temperature and refrigerate it for about 10 to 12 hours. You will get a creamy layer on the top. You have to collect it for 4 to 5 days to get a half a cup of fresh cream. For that half a cup of fresh cream, you can very well use a small size mango. Here the mango and fresh cream has been mixed well. Now we are going to transfer this into another bowl and we are going to refrigerate this. This is ready. We are going to close it tight and freeze this for 10 to 12 hours. Our mango ice cream is ready and this is perfectly set. We can scoop it out. This is a perfect recipe for this hot climate, and thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.